You guys have probably seen all over TikTok this £12 Dyson hairdryer dupe. Go back on my page if you want to see me compare the Primark versus the Molly May hair colour. The results are literally insane. So it takes me a long time to dry my hair as I have extensions, and this dried my hair in 5 minutes. One of the features I like is that it has a mirror on the end in case you're on the go. It does quite a few hair settings. The nozzle also comes off and it gets insanely hot and powerful as it's 1800 watts. Time's running out, so let me know what you think in the comments and follow for more.